I want you guys to come with me as I backtest one of my best forex trading strategies. I mean, with this strategy, I'm able to get a 60 to 80% win rate in all my trades. So definitely, if you've not been profitable in your forex trading journey, this strategy will help you improve on that. Now, each time I place a trade with this strategy, I always go for a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So definitely, even if you actually get any losses within your journey, you're definitely going to be profitable in the long run. I can comfortably say that this is one of the best strategies. So definitely, if you've been looking for a strategy, this is exactly what you're going to be using. Now, this strategy basically uses ICT's smart money concepts, and boy oh boy, it really delivers every time I actually place a trade. So we're basically going to be following the institutional price delivery model that will enable us place a trade each time there's enough money or liquidity in the market. Okay, let's go. Okay, so here we are on the charts. I'm on trading view and I'm on the 1 hour time frame because this is where all my magic happens. I always do it on the 1 hour time frame. So what you're seeing here, I'm sure you can see some of these lines. What these basically mean are these are the opening times of the session. So this is the London session. Now in my country, this opens right about 9:15 a.m. in the morning, and then for my New York session, this opens at around 1500 hours or 3 p.m. This is in East Africa. So if you're within the East African region, you should be able to have these lines marked out on your chart. So definitely, or basically, the first thing we're going to do on the market is try and ascertain the bias of the market. So if we go to a higher time frame like the 4 hour time frame, we can clearly see that actually this market, it is in an uptrend. So you can see right here, if we actually look at this basically shows us that we are in an uptrend. So what I then go ahead and do, going back to the 1 hour time frame, I'm basically going to go ahead, mark out these so I always mark out these lines basically a day before the next day, so that I don't have to always do this on a daily. So with this strategy, it works best on USD pairs, because with USD pairs, during my time of actually trading, I've realized that there are specific times in the day when liquidity or money is actually put into the market. So I've monitored this for some time, and I've been able to actually notice that there are specific times when money is actually put in the market. So basically, if you know what price delivery is, you know that it goes in cycles, or it goes in a cycle. So first, there's always consolidation, and then from consolidation, it can go for an expansion, and then after expansion, it goes for a retracement. Then after retracement, it goes into a reversal. So once you know this very well, then definitely you're going to be enjoying this. Now, to maybe clarify more on this, you need to know that most of the times the expansion actually happens, in my opinion, it always happens in the New York session. So this is when I'm always looking out for this. And personally, I do not like trading the New York session because price sometimes can expand so fast, and I don't want to be that person that actually chases the market. So what I do, I always wait for it on the reversal. So it retraces back into the order block, and then once it has tapped back into my order block, this is when I go ahead and place my trade on that reversal. And in my opinion, the reversal always happens, or most of the times it happens during the London session. So let's look at price and how it behaves. So when you see right here, if I go ahead and play this, but before we even play price, we need to add on an indicator. There's an indicator I like using, which is the Smart Money Concepts indicator by Lux Algo. So that on. So let's try and play the price and we see how it goes. So let's see, we're in the London session. Okay, so we are into the, here we can see that we are now into the New York session. Let's see how that goes. Okay, so now here, since usually at around this time 5 a.m. I've really not woken up to check on the market. So most of the times what I would do, I would actually, once I know that this expansion, you can see this expansion actually happened, this happened to form an order block right here. So if I'm actually to go slightly back, this formed an order block. So before I even sleep, before I even go to bed, because you can see this is at around 10 p.m. in the evening or in the night, so I can see that price is retracing back into my order block or into our order block that was formed right here. So I can actually leave my order in. So if I'm to actually leave this order in, it will be a buy limit order. So let me try and do that. I'll use a 40 pips risk, and then my reward, I always go for a 1 to 3. So this is just enough. So let's play price and see how that goes. Okay, so guys, you can see right here, we've actually, so by this time I'm actually even up already, so I can go ahead, keep extending my reward, and then go ahead and, you know, you can see you can end up getting a 4.7 risk to reward ratio. I mean, this is insane. That's the strategy, and that's exactly how you're going to start winning as a trader. I can guarantee you that this is exactly one of the strategies that I use. So definitely, if you go ahead, use the same, I'm sure you will also become profitable. Now, in case of any questions, please head over to the comment section, type out whichever question you would like me to answer you in regards to forex trading, and I would definitely be able to answer you back. And of course, if you found this video useful, please go ahead, leave a like on it, and maybe also share it with a friend, because you never know who this might be able to help out there. And for more forex trading content, check out this video right next.